Hey guys, it's THRASH back with another unboxing video. So my birthday is coming up next week, but I actually got this present a little bit earlier, and so we will be unboxing the THRASH N DEVOUR Tyrannosaurus Rex. And I'm so excited to show you guys. So let's go ahead and get to it. So you cut this and this. And then, yeah, it's tied down to the box. Okay. Should be a part like right here. Should be easy. There we go. This is probably one of my favorite unboxing videos, and hopefully I get Minecraft on my Xbox soon, but I need to get it on my trailer because it almost caught on fire that day, but hopefully I can get it someday. You know what? I'm just gonna go and unbox this T-Rex. It's gonna be a little bit. Okay. All I need to do is unscrew the bottom. Alright. Get this loose. Got it loose. Get the thing out. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna try to make this a quick video. So I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna pause the video and then I'll see you when it's out. And she's out of the box. Finally, the THRASH N DEVOUR Tyrannosaurus Rex. And so we will be comparing we have our Moros Intrepidus here, and we also have our Allosaurus. So let's go ahead and compare them. So I'm also just going to do a little reference of him eating this. So he should be in a devouring position, I believe. I'm going to get him laying down first. This way it's easier for him to eat it. So it should be like... So you should be able to sense up the mouth there. And then we, got our Allosaurus, he'd be like... So he'd be like... Okay, we're gonna be having a roar off. So we got... This one is my newest Dominion figure and possibly my favorite. So here's the code for you guys to scan, possibly if you need to. And so there's a girl aside. Here's the Allosaurus to scan if you need to pause the video. If you need to scan it, you go ahead and do it. Moros. You can scan that if you need to. Just pause the video and scan it. And, well, I'm not trying to make this too fast. It's like a little goat or something, man. This is my favorite toy so far. This is like destroying, devouring Dinosaur Rex, but it's so much better. Tail, you cannot twist it up. You have to do it with the legs. And that's for the devouring position, I think. Let me go get a man real quick. So there should be one here somewhere. Let me get a full one. Well, pause it real quick. We don't have much here, but he'd be like, no, wait, this is fit in his mouth. Let's see if it will. It will probably like when it eats. No, it does not. Yeet. Let's see if this one will fit. Well, guys, I'm gonna go find another one. Okay, so we got this guy without 2 legs, without any of his legs. Eats them really good. Like Jurassic World Evolution, he'd be like, see guys, this is my favorite Jurassic World Dominion toy so far. This one highly recommend getting. Hopefully, probably around Christmas time, I want to unbox the Striking Roar Giganotosaurus. And I'm really excited about that one. And this one, highly recommend the toy to get. This one is really cool. This one looks alien. Okay, we have the Thrash and Devour T-Rex to compare. So, this one just picks up and throws. Well, this one, he can thrash, but he can eat. So we have a little dinosaur here. He just eats him in one bite. No. But if you notice, at the bottom of his mouth, he doesn't have a button down there, like the Destroy and Devour Rex does. So he doesn't like do light up or anything. Like Destroy and Devour just go like but the Thrash and Devour T-Rex, his neck goes down a little bit, if you can notice there. So this one might be a little bit hard in devouring things. Like if you pick up the galley and it tries to eat it. That's probably with the thrashing feature, but I'm not so sure why this is or why they did this. But it's probably because for the thrashing feature's sake. It probably fit down there. I'm not sure that one. The sounds are kind of off. This one, yeah, both of them move. See, I love how it goes like. My favorite Dominion figure. So that is the Thrash and Devour Tyrannosaurus Rex for you guys. And I will see you guys in another Imposter Rex video. So, love you all. Have a nice day. Imposters, do it.